Karthiga, Assistant Professor from CSE Department from St. Joseph Institute of Technology. So now I am going to discuss the topic of hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So hierarchical inheritance. So it has one parent, two child. Okay. So I am going to show the example for hierarchical inheritance. So this is class A. It is class animal. Okay. Now class B. So here class A is animal, class B is dog, and class C is cat. Okay. Here class dog extends class A, that is animal, and class cat extends animal, that is class C extends class A. Okay. So both these childs are depends on parent class A. Okay. Here the main class will be So here the main class, public static void main. Here the object is created for these two child class, which can be accessed through parent class. Okay, here dog is the class B and cat is the class C. So B can access the data members and methods present inside the parent class animal. So here d1.bark, bark is inside the child class dog, and here d1.eat, eat is present inside the parent class animal. Okay, likewise see here cat, c1 equal to new cat. Here c1.mew, mew is present inside the child class of cat, and here c1.eat, eat method is present inside the parent class. So here the parent data members and the methods are accessed by the both childs. Okay, then here the output will be for the first child here the output will be for the second child is barking, eating, mewing, eating. Okay, so this will be the output for hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so next I am going to explain about multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Okay, so multiple inheritance has two parent, one child. Two parent, one child. Let's see the example. So here class A, class B, class C. Okay, here class A dog, inside that methods are declared. Then class B, that is class key cat, so inside that methods are declared. Then see here class C. So class C is animal which extends the class of dog and cat. So here this is not possible because class extends only one class. It will not extend two classes or more than that. Okay, so this is the ambiguity or diamond problem occurs here because of two parents, one child. So this child don't know which parent data members can be accessed. So this is the ambiguity problem occurs here. Ambiguity problem or diamond problem. Okay, so this, because of this problem here multiple inheritance is not supported by Java. Okay, so see here class animal extends dog and cat, so this will not be possible here. So this is the problem occurs here. Okay, so that's why multiple inheritance is not used in Java directly, but we can achieve multiple inheritance indirectly by using inheritance concept. Okay, next I am going to show hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance, so we already saw this is the hybrid inheritance. It is the combinations of types of any other two inheritance. Okay, so here multiple inheritance also present. So this is also the ambiguity problem, and hybrid inheritance also will not be supported by Java. Okay, so today we completed seeing types of inheritance. Okay, next I am going to discuss the topic of abstract class and methods. Okay. Abstract classes. Okay, so what is meant by abstract? So, abstract is abstract means not complete or not clear. Okay, So abstract is not complete or not clear. So that is abstract class. And abstract class is implemented by using abstract keyword. Okay. Abstract class is implemented by using abstract keyword. Okay. Next. Here there are classes, methods and variables are there, but in that in which are abstract, which belongs to abstract or classes and methods only. We don't have abstract variables. Okay, you have to clear in this. So we have abstract class, abstract method, but we don't have abstract variables like that. Okay. So abstract class. So what is abstract class? So abstract class is implemented by using abstract keyword. Okay. It is a partial implementation of any class's abstract class. Okay. Abstract class is declared by using abstract keyword, and the abstract classes have abstract methods or non-abstract methods also. The abstract class have abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. Okay. Here I am going to show you the example of how abstract class is declared. Okay. So see here, the example shows here abstract class shape. Okay, so class is declared as abstract because it doesn't have the full complete implementation. So partially implemented class is abstract class. Okay. Next, public abstract void double area. So this is the syntax for declaring abstract method. So you should have access specifier, an abstract keyword, return type and method name. Okay. Next, public void display. So here abstract is not mentioned because it is non-abstract method. So as we see in the definition, abstract class has abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. So this is the example for this public abstract void area is the abstract method, and public void display is the non-abstract method. So abstract class has both methods, abstract or non-abstract. Okay, so this is the example for abstract class. Now I am going to discuss about abstract method. Okay. Abstract method is achieved through abstract keyword. Okay, here the syntax will be so abstract method syntax is abstract, specifier, return type, method name. So this is a syntax for abstract method. And one more thing here, while declaring the abstract method, here the semicolon is must. So always abstract methods and classes have only declaration, no implementation. So this semicolon denotes it's only a declaration. While declaring a variable also we will use semicolon. So here that is the main for declaring the abstract method. Okay. Next I am going to show you the example for abstract classes and methods. Example for abstract class and method. Okay. So here abstract method is declared. So this semicolon denotes the declaration, not implementation. Okay. Here abstract class and here abstract method is declared. Okay. Next. So normally the implementation will be done in the child class. Okay. So here using abstract class we cannot create object and we cannot do implementation in abstract class. So for implementation we will use the subclasses. Okay. So here class dog extends these abstract classes extended here, and we are using the method declared in the abstract as public void make sound. Okay, now the main method will be so here the object is created for the child class. Okay, here using we cannot create object for abstract class, we can only extend the abstract class, that's it. Okay, so implementation cannot be done in abstract class and abstract method. Okay, so implementation is done in classes only. So this class here implemented the method of make sound, and here the object is created for the subclass, that is dog. Okay, so here the method is accessed through the object created here, that is d dot make sound. Okay, then the output will be barking. Okay, so like this we will implement the abstract classes and abstract methods. Okay.